Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Part 3, subdivision 4 completed. Okay, if you not watch, check in iCard button. Okay, now subdivision 5. Function such that natural number to natural number is given by f of x equal to x power 4. Okay, I am taking subdivision 5. Okay, here in subdivision 5 f of x equal to x power 4. Okay, real number, natural number here. Okay, natural number to natural number, therefore here natural number starts from 1 2 3 up to plus infinity. Okay, same here natural number starts from 1 2 3 up to plus infinity. Okay, now I am taking x equal to 1, therefore f of 1 equal to 1 power 4 equal to, you have to multiply 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay, therefore here it is 1 to 1. Next, x equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 4 into 4 equal to 16. Okay, for 2 here it is 16. Okay, like this here from domain, okay, to codomain. The first term is my domain and second term is my codomain. For checking whether it is an 1 function, you have to check only domain. Okay, here in the natural number starts from 1 2 3 up to plus infinity, it's have its own value. Okay, from 1 to 1 only. Okay, therefore here it is 1 function. Okay, here every terms are filled. Okay, therefore here it is 1 to 1 function. Next, whether it is checking an onto or onto function. For checking onto, you have to see the codomain terms. Okay, for codomain here see 2 comma 3 comma up to 15, 2 comma 3 comma up to 15 have no pre-image. Okay, has no pre-image, therefore it is belongs to R not. Here it is belongs to natural number but has no pre-image, therefore it is not onto function. Okay, if it is onto function means every term should has its pre-image. Okay, therefore it is onto, but here 2 has no pre-image, 3 has no pre-image, up to 15 has no pre-image, therefore here it is not an onto function. Okay, next subdivision 6. Here function such that z का मतलब integers to integer is given by f of x equal to x power 4. Same subdivision 4, here f of x equal to x power 4, but here it is integer to integer. Here also similar to real numbers, minus infinity to plus infinity. I am taking only few examples. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to plus infinity. Here minus infinity. Again here minus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Okay, up to plus infinity. I am taking f of 0. Okay, f of 0, 0 power 4 equal to 0. Okay, if you multiply 0 into 0 into 0 into 0 equal to 0 only. Okay, if you multiple 0 many times also, you will get the answer 0, because 0 into anything 0. Okay, next I am taking 1, f of 1, here 1 power 4 equal to 1. Okay, next I am taking f of minus 1, here minus 1 power 4. Therefore, see here, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. I am taking these two terms, minus into minus plus 1 into minus into minus plus 1. Again here 1 into 1, 1. Therefore, here also same 1. Therefore, here see, domain, codomain. First, for checking whether it is 1 function or not, here we want to check the domain. In the domain, every term should be filled, but the every term should have from 1 to 1 alone. Okay, but here f of 1 equal to f of minus 1 has 1. Okay, same value. Therefore, 1 and minus 1 belongs to z. Z का मतलब integers, has have same images. Okay, here plus 1 and minus 1 has same image as 1 plus 1. Okay, therefore here it is many to 1 function. Therefore, you should write it is not 1 function. Okay, next checking onto. For checking whether it is an onto function or not, you have to see the codomain terms. In the codomain, minus 1 up to minus infinity, it is belongs to z. Okay, belongs to z, but minus 1 minus 2 has no pre-image. Okay, here minus 1 minus 2 has no pre-image, because if I take minus 2 also, if I am squaring, see here, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Therefore, here minus into minus plus 4. Here minus into minus plus 4. 4 into 4, 16. Okay. For minus 2 also I am getting plus 16. For plus 2 also I am getting plus 16. Therefore, here it is many to 1 function clearly. Okay. But minus 1 minus 2 has no pre-image. Therefore, here it is not onto function. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, next here subdivision 7, function such that natural number to natural number is given by f of x equal to 2x. Okay, here I am taking subdivision 7. Okay, here f of x equal to 2x. Here same natural number to natural numbers. Therefore, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity. Here also 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity. Okay, next I am taking x equal to 1. Therefore, f of 1 equal to 2 ones are 2. See here. Okay, next I am taking 2. I will get 4. Okay, therefore, here it is domain first term and second term codomain. Okay, first term domain and second term is codomain. For checking whether it is an one function, you should see the domain. Here it is having 1, we get 2. Okay, image. Next, for 2 as pre-image, we get 4 as image. Therefore here it is 1 to 1 function. It is clearly 1 function. Okay, next I want to check whether the given function is onto or not. For onto function, I will check the codomain term. Here 1 and 3, 1 3 belongs to natural numbers. Okay, here belongs to natural numbers, but 1 comma 3 has no pre-image. Okay, no pre-image means it is not onto function. Okay, for onto, every term should has its own pre-image, but 1 3 has no pre-image. Therefore here it is not an onto function. Okay, next subdivision 8. See here, the same function, but here integer to integer. I am taking here integer to integer, minus infinity to plus infinity. I am taking only few examples. -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 up to plus infinity. Here minus infinity, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, f of x equal to the same function 2x. Okay, therefore I am taking x equal to 0. Therefore f of 0 equal to 2 into 0. 0 into anything, 0. Okay, next x equal to 1. f of 1, 2 into 1 equal to 2. Next I am taking f of -1. Here 2 into -1 equal to -2. Okay, therefore here for -2, here -4, here +2, +4. Okay, domain, codomain. Okay, for checking whether it is an one function, we should see the domain. Here every term has its own image. Okay, therefore that also here it is from 1 to 1. Therefore here it is clearly 1 function. Okay, next for checking whether it is onto or not, you have to see the codomain terms. In the codomain, every term should has its own pre-image. Then it is onto function. Here clearly shown that -2 having its own pre-image. Okay, wait, I will show how that pre-image, what is the pre-images. Okay, given function you should take f of x equal to y equal to 2x. Here x equal to y by 2. Okay, next if I am substituting y equal to, this is my y. Okay, I am taking -4. -4 divided by 2. Therefore here it is -2. -2 is belongs to integers. Therefore here it is an, for y equal to -4, x equal to -2. Okay, Next I am taking another value. Okay, x equal to minus 3 I am taking. Okay, here minus 3 I am taking. Minus 3 divided by 2. Here minus 3 by 2, it also comes under the integers. Okay, therefore it is an onto function. Okay, it is onto function because here it is satisfying every image as its own pre-image. Okay, therefore it is onto function. Okay, next subdivision 9. Here same natural number to natural number, f of x equal to 3x. Now f of x equal to 3x I am taking. Okay, again natural number to natural numbers. Natural numbers again here starts from 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity. Here also 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity. Therefore if I am taking f of 1 equal to 3 into 1, you will get 3. Next f of 2, here 3 into 2, you will get 6. Therefore for 1 you are getting 1 as image, for 2 you will get 6 as image. Therefore here it is 1 to 1 function. Checking domain, it is 1 to 1 function. For checking whether it is onto function or not, you have to see the codomain terms. In the codomain 2, 3 up to 5 belongs to natural numbers. Okay, but 2, 3 have no pre-image. Okay, therefore here it is not onto function. Okay, next 10th one, subdivision f of x equal to 3x. Here real number to real number, real number minus infinity to plus infinity. I am taking minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to plus infinity. The same terms minus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to plus infinity. Okay, now x equal to 1 I am taking. Therefore f of 1 is equal to 3 ones are 3. Next I am taking f of 0 equal to 3 into 0. 0 into anything? 0. Next I am taking f of minus 1. 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. Okay. Therefore here 0 has 0 image. Minus 1 has minus 3 image. Plus 1 plus 3 image. Okay. Next domain, codomain. Okay, checking whether it is an 1 function, you should see the domain. Here I am seeing the domain. Every term has its own image. Then here it is 1 function. Okay, clearly. Next for onto function, you should see the codomain terms. In the codomain minus 2 I am taking. Therefore you should take f of x equal to you should take y equal to 3x. Okay, now x equal to y by 3. I am taking minus 2 image. Okay, minus 2 by 3. Therefore, minus 2 by 3 also belongs to real numbers. Therefore, here it is belongs to R. Therefore, here it is an onto function. Okay, it is clear. Next, subdivision 11. Function such that natural number to natural number given by f of x equal to change in PDF here 3 plus 4x. Okay, in my description PDF is there. In the PDF here it is minus, change into plus. Okay, therefore subdivision 11, here f of x equal to 3 plus 4x. Here natural number to natural numbers. Natural numbers always starts from 1, 2 up to plus infinity. Here also the same term 1, 2 up to plus infinity. I am taking f of 1. Here 3 plus 4 into 1. Here 3 plus 4 ones are 4. Now you should add 3 plus 4, you will get 7. Next, f of 2. Here 3 plus 4 into 2. You will get 3 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, you will get 11. Okay, therefore you should plot. For 1, you are getting 7. Okay, therefore for 2, you are getting 11. Okay, here domain and codomain. For checking whether it is an 1 function, you should see the domain. Okay, in the domain every term has 1 to 1. Okay, every tree image has its own image. Therefore clearly it is 1 function. Okay, next, for on to, you should check the codomain terms. In the codomain 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6, it is belongs to natural numbers, but 2, 3 have no pre-image. Okay, no pre-image का मतलब here it is not on to function. Okay, next subdivision 12. Okay, the same function f of x equal to 3, here minus 4x. Okay, here integer to integers, minus infinity to plus infinity. I am taking only few example, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 up to plus infinity. Here also the same, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 up to plus infinity. I am taking f of 0, 3 minus 4 into 0, 0 into anything 0, therefore only 3 alone has present. 0 has image 3. Okay, next I am taking plus 1, 3 minus 4 into 1. Okay, in the place of x you should substitute the value 1. Okay, 4 ones are 4. Now you are subtracting, put the greater number sign. Here my greater number is 4. Before 4 minus, therefore minus 1. For 1, here minus 1. Okay, image. Therefore next I am taking f of minus 1. Here 3 minus 4 into minus 1. Here minus into minus plus. 4 ones are 4. 3 plus 4, I am getting 7. For pre-image minus 1, I am getting the image 7. Okay. Therefore, here domain, here my codomain. For checking one function, we should check the domain. The domain, every term has its own image. Okay. Therefore, here it is 1 to 1 function. Okay. For checking whether it is an on-to function, you should see the codomain term. Every terms are filled in the codomain. Therefore, here it is an on-to function. I am taking f of x given function equal to y. 3 minus 4x. Next, I need only x term. Therefore, x equal to minus 4x come to this side, here plus 4x, here 3 plus y comes to this side minus y. Therefore, we need only x equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. Okay. Next, I am taking y has minus 2. My image I am taking minus 2. Therefore, 3 minus 2 divided by 4. Here minus into minus plus. 3 plus 2 divided by 4. Therefore, 5 by 4. Okay. 5 divided by 4, it is belongs to integers. Therefore, here it is clearly, it is an on-to function. Okay. I hope you all understood. Next, here subdivision 13, function real number to real number is given by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Okay. In the subdivision 13, f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Okay. From real number to real numbers. Real number starts from minus infinity. I cannot take from that. I am taking minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to plus infinity. The same terms here. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to plus infinity. I am taking f of 0. F of 0 here 1 plus 0 square. 0 square also 0. 1 plus 0 you will get 1 alone. Okay. Next, f of plus 1. I am taking 1 plus 1 square equal to 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Okay. Therefore, next I am taking f of minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 the square. If you square the minus term also, you will get the plus value only. Therefore, 1 plus 1 here 2. I am plotting. For 0 it is 1. Okay. For minus 1 plus 2. For plus 1 plus 2. Therefore, checking whether it is 1 function, you should see the domain. For checking on-to function, you should check the codomain. Okay. I am checking whether it is 1 or not. Here it is clearly f of 1 and f of minus 1 has same image 2. Therefore, here it is many to 1 function. Therefore, you should write it is not 1 function. Okay. Not 1 function. Next, for checking whether it is an on-to function, here minus 1, minus 2, if I square also, I will get only the positive value. Therefore, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity belongs to real numbers. But minus 2, minus 3 have no pre-image. Okay. Have no pre-image का मतलब here it is not on-to function. Okay. Every terms in the codomain should have its own pre-image, but here -1 -2 has no pre-image, therefore here it is not an onto function. Okay, next 14th, function such that natural number to natural number is given by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. The same term, subdivision 14, the same terms here, f of x equal to 1 plus x square, I am taking natural number to natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers का मतलब here starts from 1 2 3 up to plus infinity. Here also the same 1 2 3 up to plus infinity. I am taking f of 1. Here 1 plus 1 square, you will get 1 plus 1 equal to 2. I am taking x equal to 2. Therefore 1 plus 2 square. Therefore 1 plus 4, you will get 5. Therefore for 1 here it is a 2. Okay, therefore for 2 I am getting 5. Okay, therefore here it is domain, codomain. Okay, for checking whether it is an 1 function, we should see the domain. Here it is 1 to 1 because every pre-image has its own image, therefore here it is 1 function. Same question here, it is real number, so that here starts from minus infinity to plus infinity, so that we are getting the same value plus 1. Okay, for here we are getting the same value plus 2. Okay, but here it is natural number, starts from 1 alone. Okay, here it is a no negative value, therefore here it is an 1 function. See the difference. Okay, next, for checking whether it is an onto function or not, here you should see the codomain term. In the codomain, every term should have its own pre-image, but here 1 3 4 belongs to natural numbers, but 3 4 have no pre-image. Even if one term has no pre-image, therefore here it is not onto function. Okay, every term should have its own pre-image. Even one term here it is not satisfying, therefore here it is an onto function. Okay, I hope you are understood. Okay, next, the last question we will see in another video. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.